Hi, it's Miss Clark, and I'm going to show you how to make the lockers clickable so students can feel like they're really opening the locker. They can't advance to the next slide, and you can lock certain lockers so they can't go there until you're ready for them to. So, on my lockers, all of these items are going to be clickable to go to certain assignments or the daily check-in. This is where they're going to click to shut the locker. And then over here, I have a transparent box that they can click to take them back to the classroom slide. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring all of those objects to the front because I don't want them getting hidden under other things. Then I don't want students to be able to click over here and just advance to the next slide in the presentation. So what I'm going to do is draw a shape to cover the entire slide, and I'll make it transparent, but for right now I want to keep it filled in just so I can see where it is. So I want my clickable links to be on top of this. So I need to move this backwards, and the shortcut is Command down. So I'm just going to press that until I can see all those clickable links on top of it. And I don't want to go down any further because right now the classroom's label has come on top of that, but that's not going to be a clickable link. I have a separate box there. So I'm going to bring this up one more layer so it's got everything that I want clickable. So now I have this box on the layer that I want it. So now I'm going to link it to the slide that I'm on. So that's 7. Go to slides in this presentation, slide 7. So now if you click on this box, it's just going to take you to the slide you're already on. So now I can make that transparent. And then when I go to present, students can click over here, try to go from here directly to the other lockers, but I've made it where they can't do that. But they are able to click on this where I have linked to the first locker page with all of them closed. So I'm just going to repeat that process with all of the other open lockers. So their only options is to use the links, shut the locker, or go back to the classrooms page. Once I have all that done, I'm going to use this slide and show you how to lock the lockers. So if it's Monday, they can't access Thursday's locker yet. So I already have transparent boxes here linked to each slide that I want it to take them to. And I have this in the background that will keep them on the slide they're on if they click anywhere else. So I'm just going to fill these in with color temporarily so that I can see what I'm doing better and arrange them. And right now, the order is all messed up. So I have a box here, but it's actually underneath the background one. So I'm just going to move this gray box back using Command down. And now I can see it. Fill that in. Oh, that one's hidden. This is why it's important to use the colors or just any kind of fill to get them arranged how you want them. And I don't want to see the labels with the days of the week, so I'm just going to make sure all of those are sent all the way to the back. So each of these are my clickable boxes, and this is the one for the background. So now I want to make sure I have them in the order. So this one is on the top, then this one, then this one. So I'm going to go through using Command up and down just to get those in the order that I want them. So as I bring this gray box forward, the first one it covers is that Friday purple box, so that's good. Then it covers that one. I don't want that. So I want to make sure I bring this one This part's a little tricky. You got to kind of play around with it. But once you have them in the right order, it will be really easy to just go throughout the week. Okay, I have these boxes in the right order now. So as I move this gray box up and down, it goes through the days in order. So now, while they are all visible, I'm just going to go back and make them transparent so they're not covering up any of the information and pictures on the slide. But I'm going to keep this one colored just for now because I want to bring it back up. And I can't see the other boxes right now, but you can see where I try to click on them and they're hidden. They're underneath it. So I want to bring this box up 2 more layers. So now I can only click on where I have the classroom link and the link for Monday's locker. Now that I have it where I want it, I'm going to make it transparent again. So I can see these, and you can just double check that I can click on the box where Monday is, but I can't for any of these other days. So when I present, if I click anywhere else over here, if I try to click on these slides, it won't let me because it's really just clicking on the link to go to the same slide I'm already on. But I can go to Monday, open that, shut it to come back to this page. But the problem is you can still use the arrow keys to go to those other slides. So I'm going to show you one more step to make sure students can't do that. So when you want them locked, you'll just go to Slide, Skip Slide, and it'll show you really obvious that students can't see that. So now I just have the main locker page and the one with Monday open. So now when I present, I still can't click on any of these. I can click on Monday and go back, but I also can't advance with the arrow keys like I could before. So there is no way for students to open these. Then say it's Tuesday now, I can just go back, uncheck that, and I'm going to take this background box, move it down 1 layer. I just pressed Command down, And I can check, yes, this box for Tuesday is on top now, but I still can't get any of these. So I can click on Tuesday, shut the locker. I can't advance to any of the other slides. So I know that was kind of long and can be a little complicated, especially with all the transparent boxes, but remember, just play around with it, fill them in with color so you can get it arranged how you want, and then make it transparent once you have everything ready. And once you have it set up, it's pretty easy to just move those layers up and down as the week goes on. So I hope that helped and wasn't too confusing. If you have any other questions, just let me know and I'll see if I can answer them.